departing from Houston, and again, we're coming in at 26.
Ladies and gentlemen, stay seated, stay seated. We do not have to evacuate now. Please remain seated.
Everyone keep the aisles clear. Stay seated, please.
Guys, just go back to your seats. We do not have to evacuate. Please go back to your seats. Thank you.
If the pilots give us command to evacuate, we will evacuate, but please remain seated right now and keep the aisles way clear. If we do have to evacuate, please just leave your bags. We will let you know. Please remain seated.